Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on Clipboard Health. First, open the Clipboard Health application on your mobile device. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as this is crucial for the process. Then, tap on the My Shifts section located on your main dashboard. From there, you will easily find your current active shift for the day, ready for you to select. It's important to arrive at your assigned facility at least 15 minutes before your shift officially begins. The Clipboard Health application utilizes your device's global positioning system to accurately verify your physical presence at the site. Simply tap the designated confirmation button within your shift details to initiate this check. Once your location is successfully verified, a clear green checkmark will appear, allowing you to proceed to the next step. Once your location has been successfully verified, a large, prominent clock-in button will become active and visible on your screen. Take a moment to quickly review your shift details one final time, just to ensure everything is correct before you proceed. Then, confidently tap the clock-in button to officially begin your work shift. You will promptly receive a clear confirmation message, indicating that your clock-in was successful and recorded. Occasionally, you might find the clock-in button is inactive. If this happens, first check your device's location services. Ensure that the Clipboard Health application has the necessary permission to access your device's precise location data. If the problem persists after checking permissions, try completely restarting the application on your mobile device. Should you continue to experience technical difficulties, do not hesitate to contact Clipboard Health support for immediate assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.